aspiration. I'm up and gas me up, give me motivation. So tell me where we come, pick it. Run the track. Gas me up, give me motivation. The way we move, skin on the skin. No separation, need no conversation.
I'm showing y'all how to take it from the left to the right, okay? And now, look, it's wash day, and it's not my favorite day, y'all. If y'all like wash day, comment that down in the comments. Like, what makes it enjoyable for you? I realized this time around I was trying to record, and I thought the sync would be best, and then I thought, I don't have to section my hair, but that was a lie. Hair is way too thick, so we're just going in with the bed head reconstruction. I don't even know what it's called. It's a shampoo and conditioner I got from Target, and we're just scrubbing, girl. It's been about 2 weeks, and I needed that real bad. I love my scalp soother that I got from Amazon. It just really gets in when I don't feel like doing the work. Listen to the upcoming chaos, y'all. I just have to preface this and say the amount of hair that I have, I really do not enjoy. Like, I have to get shampoo out. Oh, it's still, I don't enjoy doing my hair, y'all. It's a lot. I'm just gonna go in. I'm gonna go in with deep conditioner as well. So now that we're finally done conditioning, y'all, it gets even more ghetto from here. I said my hair is so dry. I'm gonna come back. Yeah. That's why it looks so unhealthy. And I needed a steam treatment. And my facial steamer broke. I haven't used that in like 2 years. So I said, girl, you need to figure out something. And I'm really like trying to get my hair healthy because y'all, if y'all see my other videos, I'm trying to become a straight natural, and I don't know how I'm gonna do that yet. I have all the products in my cart, and I just need to press purchase. I'm scared. So now this is a lazy girl way of doing it. This is no like in-depth tutorial. I just part both sides of my head from ear to ear, the back side in 4 plaits, 2 on the right side, 2 on the left side. Big plaits, girl. Nobody had time for cornrows. My hair is too thick. Like, I could have done it, but the energy, the strength. So for the construction of the V-part wig, I am doing a flat twist. As you see, it's pretty thick. It's not super tight, which is great because I don't like a lot of tension. With that flat twist, I'm going to braid it into the plait that's next to my ear. So that's what I just did. So obviously with taking care of our natural hair, we want to go in with some type of moisturizing cream. I feel that curl creams are pretty moisturizing. At least this one that I got by Talia Wahid. I don't know how to pronounce her name, but I actually really like that. And that actually defines my curls very, very well if I do the shingling method. And then I go in with the oil. I try to do the LCO method, liquid cream oil. And I use that to seal in the moisture. So now I'm adding the braid gel just for a sleek look, just a little bit, not too much. I just put it on the 2 anchor braids, and that was it. And then we're gonna go in and do 2 anchor braids, which is what the wig hair is going to be crocheted through. Now y'all, I also want y'all to start a conversation like, what's your favorite style to do that's like low maintenance, not a lot of tension? Like, I had to adjust the clips with this wig a few times because it was kind of starting to hurt, but I've been good, so I'm praying my hair is okay. I've truly been good. I found good placement, but once I take it off, I hope my hair is good. So with everything that's just basically laying out of my head, I just braid it up and I bobby pin it as flat as possible. Y'all know, as a lazy girl, this is not going to be no flat braid down, okay? This is literally a plait down. If you want a middle part, you would do this on the middle of your head like I'm doing, or if you want a side part, you do it on the side. So this is the hair from VSHOW Wig. Y'all, the hair is beautiful. I love it, and it has like everything. It has the removable combs, which I love because I hate combs. I feel like that causes a lot of tension as well. The creators of this wig were also able to put the track under the wig, if that makes sense. It's so Nice. So now I'm going to be taking a section of hair and parting that and separating it for the hair that I'm going to crochet through the 2 anchor braids. So what I want to do is wet it because it's going to be a lot more seamless and smooth to pull through the braid versus doing it dry. So you're able to pull your crochet stick through it, attach a strand of hair, close the latch and pull through and pull back over your braid. And it's that simple. It takes practice. Once you get it down the first 3 times, it gets quicker. But with the whole hair dilemma, I'm in between like trying to teach myself to love doing my hair again. When I was in high school, I had all the time in the world to nourish my hair. I was able to do a bunch of protein treatments, deep conditioning for overnight, y'all. Like, my hair was so healthy, and now my hair is just extremely dry. Like, and I have to feel like I need to go back in time in order to make it work, and I don't have the time for that. Your girl's grown, so what can your girl do? I was looking into a steam treatment, like a steam dryer, the ones that stand above your head. That's gonna take up space in my house. But I'm like, oh, it's almost necessary because your girl's trying to grow her hair down to her booty. Because why not? And my hair actually got cut recently, so I just want to see how long my hair can get. But if I can't manage what I already have, how is that supposed to work? So I'm trying to figure out, like, is becoming a straight natural the best route in order to have, like, tension-free, no manipulation, and, like, just easier manageability. Like, if it gets put into a ponytail, we have to be okay with that. Like, it is what it is. So I don't know, you guys. I'm just at a loss. Like, doing this style, it started to get more fun once the wig was on. But the prep with my own hair, oh Lord, that was a lot. And I can just see how dry my hair is, so it's really not fun because I'm like, it looks unhealthy. And I really didn't like that. I had went to get my hair blow dried by my stylist the other day, and I was like, oh my gosh, my hair is so hard to work with. And she's like, that's just because it's dry. And I looked at, I made a little face that she didn't see. But she was actually right in the long run. I've seen my hair healthier. I just started to pay more attention, and I've been watching a lot of videos on how to take care of your hair again. And it's to literally deep condition. You should really be doing the steam treatments, doing the hot oil treatments, the protein treatments. Every treatment you should be doing. Don't overdo protein treatments though. Make sure you do your research. Now that everything is crocheted and in place, we're actually going to go in and fix all the frizzy pieces and make this look really cute. So I just like to spray wherever I feel like is most frizzy that needs some refreshing, because I already washed this wig and everything. So I'm just going to brush through the hair and apply some curl activating cream from Cream of Nature. Cream of Nature products always smell really good. Like, love it. So yeah, and then we're going in with the technique where we brush through sections of the hair and we twist the brush, like roll it a little bit towards our face. And that will give you a nice bouncy curl. Quick sidebar, with the whole straight natural idea, y'all, don't y'all be working out? We're working out in 2025, right? You know, just trying to get our body to look good, you know. But how do y'all achieve that with the straight natural look? Like, your girl's really struggling. I've been researching videos on how to keep your edges looking nice, and they seem like they could work, but you know, some of our hair be different, and I'm one of the different ones. I go in with the diffuser and dry it for 30 seconds on each section. I did do high heat, but if it got too hot, we went straight to warm, so that's cool. And let it fall, and it was bouncy, shrinking up and everything. So super cute. And closer to the end, we just put our finishing touches on it. I actually placed some bobby pins in place because I didn't really like the middle part like that. I needed a side part. I love side parts more than middle parts. I don't know. But I just feel like it wasn't dry enough to kind of look like it was mine. So, yeah. But I also did my edges and everything, and it started to come together for real. Y'all, forgive me, my voice is raspy because I really just woke up like an hour ago, and it's like my first time talking, so my bad. Yeah. I ended up doing the side part and just placing bobby pins wherever I wanted the hair to like forcefully lay, because the hair kind of kept falling a little bit. But yeah, after that, I just made sure I laid my edges for about 5 to 10 minutes and chef's kiss, okay? That was cute. I hope y'all were able to learn a little something. I was trying to use my boyfriend's camera to give y'all a little bit better quality, and I realized I needed more light as I was sitting in front of my vanity. So next time I'll get you guys right. And yeah, this is the Lazy Girl V-part install routine. And if you liked it, make sure you like the video, comment if you have something to say, and subscribe if you want to join the family. See you on the next one. Bye.
Pushing on my buttons, gas me up, give me motivation. So tell me where we come, pick it. Run the track. Gas me up, give me motivation. Do every move, skin on the skin. No separation, need no conversation. Nah, nah, nah. On everything, it's automatic, going 0 to 100. Nah, nah. Right, wishing the wheels will fall off. Time is ticking, it's taking you too long. Right before I decide to go.